Hi friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've just come up with a new scanner in Chartink, which is helping you to find out intraday breakouts on the first 15 minutes. And that scanner I'm going to create with this in video, and also I'm going to explain how this particular scanner which I have created and how it is working for an intraday, that I'm going to discuss in this video. And before going to this video, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. And don't skip the video. I'm just going to explain you how we create the scanner, what is the logic which I'm going to use it. But I'm not going to share my indicator that is a scanner, which is only shareable on my premium Telegram group. So if you want to access all my premium scanners, you can join on my premium group. Okay, so here some strategy which I'm just following a few days, and that is giving you some good result on intraday. So already we made ADR indicator that is working good. So one more logic which I have created with Ikanashi candle along with some customized indicator. So that is helping you to find out such a trade opportunity by using this particular indicator, and by using that indicator how we find out a trade opportunity. So that is what the main reason which I'm going to discuss along with this video. Okay, and also I'm going to create the scanner. So you can look at this particular 15 minutes bar of this IOC. So initially it started and given you some rejection in the downside and then it went higher and closed as a positive. So maybe initially that gives you the downside move, maybe the negative candle, but on the first 15 minutes it is closed as a positive, and also nearby the close equal to high, something like that, which is happening in this candle. But after that, if the breakout which is happening on that first 15 minutes candle, so there is some good movements, good movement which is happening on the stock. So such a kind of stocks which I'm going to find out with the scanner. And some of the stocks which I seen today, so IOC, Torrent, Pharma, I think. So here you can see maybe I started at this, the candle open at 2578 and the low made is 2540. That maybe around the 30 points is moving lower. Maybe it spike or it came down and recovered back after some times. That can be possible. But what we are looking for after that high of that particular candle which breaks, and I'm going to looking for that particular stock for an breakout opportunity. So maybe one or two stocks if you focus for a day, that's good enough. Okay, so one more stock into Petro, that is also be the same which is happening on the scanner. Here also be the same. Here that candle, first candle, and 496 and 490, 500. Once we are looking for a 501, and after 501, and it went up to 510 and 516 also. So how do we find out such a scanner? And a few days back we find a BPCL, and that is also same like that yesterday. Here, and GMR Infra on yesterday, that is what last trading session which is happening on the second. So here that breakout, and it is giving us such a good move. And NTPC TCS, something which happened on yesterday, the same pattern. So here how do we find out such a kind of stocks? And by using a scanners which have already identified that opportunities, and with a customized indicator. So I'm just going to focus that one. So let me try to find out, and also I'm going to use the Ikanashi candle. So the Ikanashi candle is nothing about, this is the candle. So on daily time frame I'm just looking for. So this is what a bullish candle, and here is the bullish. And once the higher volume which is happening on bullish, next day maybe the momentum can be continuous. So you can look at this three times. Okay, so huge candle which is happening here, the next day also be big, and here is the big, and next day also be big, and this is one, and this is the one. So like this kind of pattern which we are going to identify with that customized indicator that we are going to see on a normal chart. So here for this is for a selling, but initially we are going to create for a bullish opportunity. So then on the next video we will try to create a selling side opportunities also. So we have already, or I am already making that customized indicator. Just I'm going to use that customized indicator to find out a trade opportunities. Okay, so let me go with the futures and future stocks, and I'm just already created the higher volume bars should be greater than the average volume. So these are all the custom indicator which is not available, and I'm just looking for one day ago. That means yesterday's higher volume. And if I'm looking for, these are all the stocks which is happening on yesterday, like IOC, Tata Motor, SAIL, MCX. From the stocks only, I'm just looking for a today's opportunity. Okay, these are all the stocks which is happening yesterday. So we are not going to take that stock directly. If from this stock, almost 145 stocks on the same. From this list, we need to find out today's opportunity. So today's opportunity, which I'm going to focus, is to be a this close should be greater than that is a closing price. I will just try to create the first 15 minutes. Just first 15 minutes is good enough. And if you are in my group, so you can modify also, because you have a edit right also HE high. So you can actually candle high. I'm just going to use in this on a daily time frame. Okay, that should be one day ago. So this is what a thing. So yesterday we took the stock, and today we find out almost 25 stocks from this list. Okay, from after finding that much of 25 stocks from this list, I'm just going to create one more customized indicator to add, and also I need the stock should be a positive closing. Okay, yesterday, that is very important. Maybe sometimes negative stocks also be there, but because we are using a Ikanashi candle, sometimes market would be red, Ikanashi candle would be green. So the best example for the TCS today. So today it closed with a negative candle, right? So as a candlestick pattern. But if you are looking at an Ikanashi, it should be the perfect bullish candle, looks like that. So there is a difference between Ikanashi and normal candles. So to avoid to confusion, so we are going to get the closing price should be greater than uh, previous day close or open. That would be a green bars. So we are not looking for a today, and we are looking for an yesterday's opportunity. So we can change over this. And if you are doing this, and we have so 21 stocks, 4 stocks were removed from the list. So one more custom indicator which I am going to add. Just wait, we will add that indicator also. So one more line is to be added here. That was looking for green candle. So we have to wait just a moment. We have to use yeah, green bar should be a 15 minutes bar. So these are all the customized indicator. We are in charting, we only compare two parameters, but by using a customized indicator, we can create 4 5 or even multiple comparisons. So that's why we use a customized indicator. And after finding that, we easily get a complex code into the simple one. Okay, so here greater than uh, should be bullish close. Just trying, we'll save the scan. So on first 15 minutes bullish close, I'm just looking for. So finally we derive a scanner, and we got almost 16 stocks for the day. So after opening around 9:30, that means the first 15 minutes we are fetching the data. So after 9:30, you can look at the top listed stocks, maybe the chances for breaking out, and the first 15 minutes close are high of that particular candle. So should be highly possible. So where we can plan. So these are all the stocks listed here, and we can check these stocks. So for example, Shriram Finance and TVS Motor in the list, but is in the bottom. So let me check Shriram Finance and TVS Motor. Shriram Finance and 15 minutes time frame. So whereas the first 15 minutes candle is 9:15. So what I'm just exactly looking for, the high of that particular candle should break above the first candle high. In this case, that candle doesn't break the high, so it doesn't give you the opportunity. And after that, it was moving down and it breaks the low. So we are not looking for a selling opportunity, only buying opportunity. I'm just looking for. And the second one is TVS Motor. So what's happening in TVS Motor? Here in this case, it may be a triggering your stop loss. Maybe that past 15 minutes high is broken on the next candle 2075 and 2045. That stop loss got triggered. So here, this is what a bottom stock, and Bajaj Auto is the third one. Whether it is not giving you the breakout. But if you are looking at the top listed, so maybe it is a closing, and if you are looking at the past 15 minutes, and you will be easily finding out that stock which is in the top. Why? Because of if the stock is negative, that would be not there in the list. Okay, IOC Torrent Pharma is the stock which I have seen. IOC, there is a huge, and you can look at this, the rejection in the bottom, and it is closed in the top. So this is what a right pattern, but it was fetching all the stocks, and this is what a correct pattern. So around 170, and it went up to maximum 176. The second one, Torrent Pharma, Hindustan Petroleum, Sun Pharma. So look at the charts. You can look at this. This is a huge rejection, and there is a good move. And Sun Pharma, let me go for Sun Pharma. That is also be another one, but the rejection in the bottom side is not a big, but it is also be rejected, and it is closed, and 1439, and it is finally moves. So by using the scanner, so we to find out one or two stocks on Cipla and Bharat Forge, not to find out all the stocks to try to take, and it is a perfect bullish one and a huge one, big candle. So we don't take that much of risk. If you want to take that risk, so you can place your orders or sell, or else simply you can ignore this. And Cipla, and finally Bharat Forge, Yamandam. So I will share you the scanner in our paid group, so you can backtest that also. But backtest, instead of backtest, you can do the real test. That is also Bharat Forge also moves very well, and Yamandam and NMDC. Yamandam, Mahindra and Mahindra. That is a big candle, so you can see 1695 and 1660 with 30 points. If you want to take that much of big risky, you can go for, or else you can ignore that. It's manually. Okay. So and then NMDC also be there in the list. This one, so big candle, but it is given in the breakout, and then it is moving somewhere to 246, and the high is around 244, 3 rupees, 3 rupees nearby it moves. And Gale is the one more thing on the list. So this is giving you such a good move. So I hope you understood the concept. So I'm using with the combination of Ikanashi candle along with the volume, previous bars, and current 15 minutes. So all three conditions which I have mentioned here, and combined this indicator will help you for a perfect intraday trade for a 15 minutes breakout by using the scanner. And this will help you to find out some good opportunities. So maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll update you the negative side also. This is our positive side which I'm looking for. And option, this scanner will be soon shared on my premium telegram group. So premium telegram group is nothing about, you can access my all my premium scanners which I have recently created and previously created, and that would be the link of the scanner would be available on that group. So you can copy and paste it, you can copy and edit with the rights, so you can access the scanners, and you can modify whatever the thing which you want. So this is the idea, where I'm just giving you some scanner list, and based on that you can create your own ideas too. So I hope you understood the concept, and this is what one more opportunity for an intraday breakout. So that will help you to find out some good opportunities trade. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and keep supporting and subscribing the channel to get more update. Thank you so much.